I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor 50 to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer and open it on both devices. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. So we need to wait a bit. Choose open. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to select Send on Honor and Receive on an Android device. Then tap on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a while though, so I will go with only this photo. Just Send and click on Got It. As you can see from here, we have the connection ways. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code, but we can also just input this key over here and click on Receive. And now as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!